Alright, here we are guys with another Coinbase video. So the last time I talked about Coinbase, I believe it was October 19th, and it was trading around just under $300. And I mentioned to you guys that I really thought that there was a lot of FUD on Bitcoin and things like that with the whole China miner ban, with Elon Musk not accepting Bitcoin for Teslas anymore. And I thought that this was an excellent buying opportunity. We're just about to break through that $300 resistance, and we've done just that, guys. So Coinbase is absolutely ripping. Now I still have a $600 price prediction in the near run. I'm going to explain to you guys why. There's a lot of bullish catalysts about Coinbase stock. Before I get into Coinbase stock, guys, I want to share you guys one of my favorite trading apps called WeBull. So guys, all you have to do is click the link in the description below and grab your 2 free stocks over at WeBull. You open up your WeBull brokerage account, get your first free stock, and you direct deposit any amount, you'll get a second stock for free. Now this is my favorite alternative to Robinhood. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are on Robinhood, but I believe WeBull is an excellent alternative. You get fractional shares, 0 commissions, and you can buy or sell cryptos as well, like Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, or Dogecoin, guys. So be sure to check out those links in the description below. So now back to the video. So let's take a look and kind of back up right when Coinbase IPO'd. Okay, the stock absolutely got crushed. All the China FUD happening, people said Bitcoin was going to $20,000, $10,000. But that's not going to happen, guys, because Bitcoin is the dominant financial asset of the 21st century. So 20th century, we're looking at fiat currencies, right? US dollar, things like that. 21st century is Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin century, guys. We're living in it. So Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. Just on the recent quarterly report, they had around 68 million verified users. And if you guys have been following my channel over the years, you know how adamant I am about basically buying companies that are the dominant horse in the race. So when we're looking at, we're looking at EV charging stations, we're looking at companies like ChargePoint. When we're looking at EV stocks, we're looking at companies like Tesla and Lucid. And when we're looking at cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase is the king. So this is the reason why I was buying this stock pretty heavy on the dip. I managed to come up with an average cost basis of around $255. So not as low as I would have really liked, because I would have really liked to try to get down to around 220 or so. But like I said, guys, I'm happy with what I have. And all the things that matter is that you're simply holding these stocks for at least probably, like I said, it's not financial advice, but at least 6 months to a year to really get those gains, because in the short run, things are unpredictable. And this is exactly what happened. So now the stock is breaking out, okay? It's up to $337 in pre-market. I'm going to show you guys a couple of bullish catalysts why I think this stock can definitely double, not within the next year, but maybe within the next month or two. So let's get right into those bullish catalysts. So the first news article, this is a pretty big acquisition, I think. It says Coinbase to acquire India's Agora for over $40 million. So Agora is a IA-powered customer support platform, and it just looks like, basically Coinbase has a huge customer service problem, guys. Okay, I love Coinbase. I love Coinbase Pro. I love trading in it. But customer service for Coinbase is lacking. Now we saw what happened with Robinhood. Okay, Robinhood really beefed up their customer service. They started offering 24/7 customer support, which is a good thing, because Robinhood was basically like Coinbase. The customer service was, basically non-existent. Okay. So now, as you can see here, with this acquisition, Coinbase is really able to basically, do exactly what Robinhood did and beef up their customer service. So it says here, we plan to leverage Agora's powerful technology to automate and enhance our customer experience tools. Improving our CX remains a top priority for Coinbase. In the past few months, we've increased our support staff headcount by 5x, and now we'll deliver 24/7 phone support and live messaging by the end of the year. Through this acquisition, we'll be able to provide our customers with new personalized, intelligent, and real-time support options, guys. So this is a huge win, because a lot of people get frustrated on Coinbase without the customer service. So while this isn't really affecting the revenue of Coinbase, it's affecting customer retention. And customer retention is so important, guys, because you can't really build a business by constantly getting new people. You have to get people in, having to use your platform, your cryptocurrency exchange, and then you want them to stay there for the long run over the next year, 5 years, or 10 years, guys. So this is very, very bullish. Just overall makes the company better. And then now a very interesting article, okay, guys. Now this was published over at CoinDesk. It says Coinbase revenues could hit nearly $50 billion by 2025. Whoa, this is the most bullish. This is the most bullish article I've seen about Coinbase revenues by far. So let's check it out. So it says Coinbase is the best positioned cryptocurrency to benefit from the industry's soaring growth. It says Coinbase could reach $49.2 billion in revenue exiting 2025. And that would really absolutely explode the valuation and the price of Coinbase stock. So guys, this is absurd. So let's take a look at this. Now, obviously, I think this is super bullish. There's going to be some more competitors coming out. Okay, you've got Voyager. They just did a partnership with the Dallas Mavericks, and they've got Mark Cuban pumping Voyager. They also meet Kevin on YouTube as well. He's pumping Voyager as well. Okay, you've got Robinhood. They're coming out with their own crypto wallet. You got other companies like Square. They're trying to work to create their own decentralized crypto wallet, perhaps WeBull. So I think there's a lot of competitors are going to come to the space, but this is extremely bullish. Okay, so if we take a look at this at $50 billion in revenue, let's just take a look at the current price to sales ratio, and then we can kind of extrapolate what we think the market cap is going to be in the future. Okay, so they literally think that the revenue is going to hit 50 billion. The current market cap of Coinbase is 67 billion. So the crypto market cap, the total market is literally over 2.6 trillion dollars, and Coinbase is just valued at 67 billion dollars, which is absurd. So let's say that that revenue target in 2025 is right, using the current valuation of a 13 price to sales ratio. That would basically put this company at a $650 billion market cap, guys, which means basically this research firm, okay, Hayden Capital, they have basically Coinbase stock 10xing in the next 3 to 4 years, which would be an incredible ROI, guys. And I clearly see Coinbase has the potential to become a $1 trillion company. This is going to be the decade of $1 trillion companies. I think you're going to see a lot of the best tech firms out here. Right now, you just saw Tesla pass a $1 trillion market cap. But, you know, as, you know, monetary inflation increases, as more and more money is pumped into the system, and we're starting to see hyperinflation all around the world, you're going to see more $1 trillion market caps. And I believe Coinbase can get there. So this company, they have basically Coinbase 10xing in the next couple of years. But I'm going to tell you guys why I think $600 is in the near future. So I want to talk a little about Plan B. Okay, so now I want to talk a little bit about Plan B. So Plan B, he's this anonymous guy. He posts on Twitter. He has this stock to flow model where he makes predictions on Bitcoin's price, and he's absolutely nailed it in the past, okay? So when there was China FUD, he predicted that Bitcoin would close over 60K at the end of October, and he was 100% right. So as you take a look here, it says, the article says, the Dutch former institutional investor with decades of experience in financial markets said that his worst case scenario for Bitcoin was 47K in August, 43K in September, 63K in October, 98K in November, and 135K in December, guys. Literally. So let's check out that actual tweet. So you take a look here. He posted this tweet back on June 20th, said ignore the FUD, just follow the stock to flow model, and Bitcoin should close about 100K at the end of November and 135K. So like I said, Coinbase is definitely trading alongside with lots of these other crypto stocks. So literally Bitcoin's trading at about 63,000 now, so 135K, that's over 2x. So we could easily see Coinbase stock probably 2x within the next 2 months. And like I said, guys, this is not like precise information, but the stock to flow model has been pretty on point as of late. And if, like I said, it's not precise, but as you can see here, it dips and surpasses it, but it's been pretty accurate, guys. So we could easily see $600, maybe even $700, $800 for Coinbase. I think Coinbase is an excellent hold, guys. Like I said, I'm hodling my shares, and I'm familiar with the platform itself. It's a really nice platform, guys. So I think this is very, very bullish information. But like I said, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, do your own diligence. I'm just telling you guys what I am doing. If you guys like my content, be sure to smash the red subscribe button and smash the like button as well. It really helps out for the algorithm. That's all I got. Until next time, guys. Take care.